Looking at all these millionaires and billionaires around the world, how do you think they got so rich? Did they just get rich overnight by winning a lottery? Well, almost every one of them started from the bottom and reached the top promptly. For some, it was a few years, but others, it took them a decade or more. And do you know what kept them going? It was financial education. Life gives opportunities to every one of us, right? It all depends on how we handle them or how we perceive them. If you are under the assumption that you'll just build some assets right away and massive wealth will come knocking on your door, you might be wrong here. There are a few assets that can make you super rich, but you will need a lot of hard work and patience too. To cut a long story short, there's no shortcut to wealth. You have to put your 100%, but why not put those efforts into the assets we are about to discuss in this video? Hello and welcome back to Tides of Wealth, where you are just one sale away from reaching financial success. Today, we are about to go over the top 5 assets that will guarantee you immense wealth over time. Building these assets are a tremendous way to reach your goals, but do you want to know the art of building such assets and how soon you'll be able to leave your 9-to-5 job? For that, you will have to take this lesson on financial education. Here are the assets you can build to support your family and get financially independent. The COVID-19 pandemic came with a lot of lessons for us, but one of the most important was the worth of online businesses. When the physical economy was crumbling to the ground, online businesses were skyrocketing as it kick-started the era of remote workers. Now, it is time to test your limits online and open a new gateway with numerous opportunities. Just relying on one income source isn't enough now. As the world is evolving and you are not aware of what's coming ahead, it's important to have at least one online income source. Wondering what to build online? Here's the thing, no matter what skills you have, cooking, swimming, playing a guitar and whatnot, you can teach it online. And guess what? You have an audience of 8 billion people just one click away from you. All you need is to create digital lessons and upload them online. If that's not what you wish to do, you can open an eBay store, marketing agency, community-orientated business, freelance and whatnot. People are even earning $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Isn't it enough to replace your 9-to-5 income? And whatever profile you build online will stay forever, just like a valuable asset that can benefit you whenever you are in need. However, no matter what business you choose to do, always remember, hard work and consistency is the key to making your way ahead. The infamous assets of all time is stocks. If you pick out any wealthy person amongst your family or friends, there'll be one thing common amongst all of them: investment in stocks. For decades, people have built wealth using this asset. The best thing about stocks is that there's no limit on how much you can make from them. Let's give you an example to make it easier to understand. Tesla's stock climbed to $400 a share from $42 in a year and a half. That's about 10 times more within 2 years. Now, think if you had invested in this stock, you'd be enjoying 10 times more money in your bank account. That's how the stock market works. But there's no denying the fact that not every stock investor makes a profit, as there are some lazy investors who refuse to study the market before making their investments and end up losing their money for nothing. To be at the top of this game, you will need to have a plan. You need to inspect the stocks that did well in the past 5 years. What do they all have in common? You'll realise it's not really random or about getting lucky, even if at first it seems so. The real research is solid research and ability to think ahead. Armed with the right knowledge, who knows, you might end up investing in a stock that might be the next Apple or Tesla. We're pretty sure that you might have made this guess at the start of the video. Real estate is without any doubt one of the top-notch assets a person can have. Witnessing the global population climbing the 8 billion mark, it's now evident that land has become more valuable no matter wherever you go in the world. This is the reason that you might need a hefty amount of investment to build this asset. However, if you don't have any investments, there's nothing to stress about. We've got you covered here too. If you want to invest in real estate and shape your future with it, you can become a real estate agent and help people buy and sell properties. With that, you can earn commission and save up money to buy some property of your own. Not only will you make some money as a real estate agent, but you will also get good exposure to the real estate world, guiding you to investing in the right place and at the right time. Commodities, natural resources, raw materials, whatever you call it, this is the new ground to play now. As raw materials are becoming scarce, such as water, oil and gas, their value is increasing day by day. Oil is in fact the reason behind the abundance of wealth in countries like Russia, Saudi Arabia and the Middle East. The reason? Use case. Look around yourself. Cars, machines and industries all run on oil and gas, and this is the reason investors are putting a hefty amount of money in the stocks of oil extracting companies. But in 2023, the story is now beyond oil, gas and other raw materials. Commodities such as NFTs and Bitcoin have entered the arena. Tons of newcomers are entering the NFT arena, and some of the most prominent brands such as Adidas, Nike and many other big companies. So, what exactly are NFTs and Bitcoin? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are unique cryptographic tokens that are not allowed to be replicated and can be sold or traded for some insane amount of money. In less technical terms, NFTs can be artwork, photos, videos, and even audios that possess unique worth, as these are digital identifiers. The ownership of an NFT is recorded in the blockchain. The same is the case with Bitcoins. It's not only a currency, but also a commodity that has the potential to unlock new gateways of earning money, but it surely is risky. Gold, platinum, and silver are usually referred to as God's money. Any guesses why that is? Well, the answer is simple. You dig these shiny valuable assets from the ground, right? If you've got some money in your bank, there is a high chance that it will be devalued in the coming years, as the current inflation rate is soaring high. Not only this, as money can be created, it's abundant in nature, but not gold, platinum and silver. They are very scarce and have always maintained their value. May it be 300 BC or 2023, gold has always been valuable. If you are planning to diversify your assets, buying gold, platinum or even silver would be the best choice to make. To give you an idea of the potential, the price of gold a decade back was way less than what it is today. In 2013, 1 ounce of gold was for $1,409, and today it's more than $2,000, all because of the increasing scarcity of these metals. People who think of long-term benefits love buying this asset. But there is a catch. Is it safe to store these precious metals? Don't worry, we have you covered. As a good alternative, you can invest in gold stocks. But in any case, it's better to keep gold than cash. Its value will increase over time rather than go down. Some people think that working 9 to 5, 5 days a week is enjoyable, but climbing the corporate ladder isn't that easy. You have to put in extra sweat and tears to become successful, and that success doesn't come near to what you can create with these assets. Job security is a myth that most of us believe. The real financial security is building your assets, as these assets will produce money for you while you spend time with your friends and family. With that said, this was all about what you needed to know about assets that can make you rich. Thanks for watching. Until next time.